recovery efforts of the government 2 years after Yolanda?
Very little, very late. There are still thousands of people who are homeless. Marami pang nag-aantay at nag-aabang sa mga pangako ng pamahalaan. Hindi man kami nasasabihan kung nasaan ang pondo na i-donate ng ating mga kaibigan, yung mga OFW natin, yung mga individual donations, yung mga donations na nanggaling sa aid agency. Hanggang ngayon malayo pa. Hindi pa. Ayaw kaming bigyan ng sagot ng kahit sinong ahensya sa gobyerno. Kaya hindi natin malalaman kung kailan talaga matatapos itong planong ng rehabilitation. Malayo pa. Sa 250,000 na kailangan na pabahay, ang naitayo pa lang ay 17,000 according to the report ng NHA. Kaya sana mabilisan na at marami pang hanggang ngayon ay biktima pa rin at naghihirap at nag-aantay ng tulong.
Sir, 51% pa lang daw po ng programs.
I think that is a very, very optimistic estimate. Because kung titignan ninyo yung master plan ni Secretary Ping Lacson at titignan natin kung ano ba talaga on the ground ang natapos na, malayo pa sa 51%.
So, sir,
I'm sorry?
Ano po yung fear natin? So, where is the fund?
I have no fear. What I worry about is the people that are still suffering, that are still waiting for assistance. Assistance that they did not ask for but was promised to them by the government. Kaya siguro pagkatapos nitong ating seremonya dito ay iikot kami para tingnan ko ano ba talaga ang sitwasyon. At kailangan na siguro, panahon na, 2 taon na nakalipas. Nakita pa natin hanggang 2 years on, nakahanap pa rin ng mga bangkay. Kaya kitang-kita na kulang talaga ang naging response ng gobyerno. Hanggang ngayon, 2 taon na nakalipas, wala pa rin tayong masyadong nakikitang tulong sa, siguro sa ibang lugar, sa Tacloban talagang hanggang ngayon wala pa tayong nararamdaman na talagang pagbabago sa rehabilitation efforts.
Sir, sabi niyo kung overestimate yung 51, you think there's an effort to deceive the public to paint a different picture of what's happening on the ground?
Well, I don't know. I don't know how they arrived at 51%. Hindi ko alam. Pero again, on the basis of the government's own report, if we look at housing, it is less than 10%. 17,000 of 250 is about 6%. So that's the only guidance because they do not explain. They do not explain what they are doing. They do not explain how much have been done, how much has been spent, how much is still available. Hindi pinapaliwanag. They feel no need to give us any facts and figures.
Sir, where do you think lies the problem? Bakit ganun kabagal? It's been 2 years, ganito pa yung pace.
I'll leave that up to you. I just would have to sana naman maawa naman sila sa mga naghihirap. Dahil yun lang naman ang ating inaalala kung paano makatulong sa mga naghihirap pa hanggang ngayon.
Sir, 46 billion will be included in the GAA next year for Yolanda, 3 years after the typhoon.
Well, if you remember, for the 2014 budget, nakapaglagay kami ng a total in different items, a total of 180 billion. We still don't have an accounting for that. So it's all very well appropriating. We have appropriated billions and billions. I don't know what is happening to all that appropriated funds because we do not see it on the ground.
Sir, critics fear that the budget may be used for the elections. Do you share the same thing?
I fear that lots of government money will be used for the election. Not only this, but that is their choice, I suppose.
Sir, kumusta? Sabi po kayo ni Senator Honasan na nandito din sa Tacloban right now.
Sabay kami ni Senator Honasan araw-araw sa session, so that's nothing new.
Sir, you're running for the Vice President. How can you help the Yolanda victims?
Well, first by clarifying exactly what the government intends to do. As I said, we do not have an accounting, we do not have an assessment, we do not have a report, nothing. They just give these vague answers. At the very first, let us find out how much money has been given, where is it, and what is it going to be used for, and when is it going to be finally spent to help the victims of Yolanda. I think